Hello, welcome to my Hobbycraft Haven. Today I'm gonna show you how to blanket stitch heart shape and make felt hearts like those. Blanket stitch is usually used to give a nice finish around the raw edge, therefore it's perfect to use with fabric like felt. To start with, you'll need a heart template. I made mine using paper, but you can use things like cookie cutters. You'll also need a piece of thin felt. I am using this lovely raspberry color for my heart. Fold your felt sheet in two, as you will need two the same size hearts to stick together. Use your template heart to trace it onto the felt. Using sharp fabric scissors, cut it out. You should have two same size hearts now. For thread, I'm using embroidery thread, but you can also use crochet thread or even yarn. And I'm using a contrasting color, so in my case light blue. I like it to be visible and decorative, and I think pink and blue are beautiful together. I'm using this embroidery needle that came as a set with my threads that I got from Amazon. The first thing you need to do is thread your needle, and I'm gonna use my needle threader because it's just so much easier, and it also came in a set. I could put a link in the description to Amazon where I got this set from. Let me know in the comment section if you'd like that. Then make sure you put a knot at the end of the thread. Make sure the length of thread you're using is enough to do the whole project. I'm gonna start right in the middle of my heart and go from left to right side, but you can go right to left if that's easier for you. To start, I'm putting my needle in between two pieces of felt and through back piece of my felt. That way you'll hide the knot. I aim for my stitch to be about 5 mm long, but I don't use a ruler, it's all done by eye. For the next stitch, you go from front to back through both layers of fabric. Pull the thread almost tight, and you should have this little loop remaining. Put your needle from right to left through this loop and pull it tight. Make sure your stitch is positioned vertically. And for the next stitches, position your needle 5 mm along and 5 mm from the top edge. Put your needle through both pieces of felt, pull almost tight, then put your needle from right to left and pull tight. And you'll continue to do so until you get to this bottom corner bit of your heart. When you get to that last stitch before your corner, try to make sure that stitch is positioned 5 mm from the edge. Now it's time to do the diagonal stitch. To do that, put your needle through the same point you did your last stitch. And put your needle from right to left, but position your stitch so it goes diagonally. Make sure not to pull it too tight so you don't squeeze that corner. To do the next stitch, put needle from front to back through the same point again, and this time you'll create a stitch that is 90 degrees to that first corner stitch, like so. That creates nice professional finish to this pointy corner of your hat. And you continue working on the other side of your hat until you only have small gap left at the top. Once you have small gap left at the top, put a bit of soft toy filling in to create this 3D effect. You only need a bit of soft filling in so that your heart is not bursting at seams. And once you've done that, continue with your stitches. When you get to the last stitch, make sure you create a little knot by putting your needle from right to left and creating a little knot like so. You then hide that knot by putting your needle as close to that knot as you can and pulling it through the other side of your hat. And now you can cut it off. Like that, the knot and the thread is not visible. And that's the hat finished. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel for more. Don't forget to hit that little bell button to get notifications about new fun videos on my channel. Thank you for watching and see you soon.